Hey guys, how's it going? Just going to give you a brief demonstration of this typewriter. This is a 1963 Hermes 3000. One of my favorite things about this machine is how easily it feeds paper. On most machines, you have to like fiddle with this because it never goes underneath it, but not with this guy. You can see how easy. You just set the paper in there, and boom, just like that, every time, backwards, forwards, backwards. No machine does that. So I'm just going to give you a little type sample, do uppercase, lowercase, and show you everything's aligned. And then I'll do all caps, misspelled a word there. And then I like to mix up so you can see that the upper and lowercase letters align. And then I'll do some numbers. And all the figures, the symbols. And you can see everything just works great on this machine. The tabs are really cool. A lot of the older machines, you have these things you have to move back and forth manually. This guy is just, it's all buttons. So I'll just set like a couple tabs right here, press the plus sign, and then another one right there. Press it again, and then you just tab to those different positions. First tab, second tab. You can hear the bell works great. And then to clear all the tabs, you just press this button with the three dotted lines, three dashes, and then tab goes all the way across. You can also remove them individually with just this button. This is the backspace key. If you make a mistake, just back it up. And the ribbon color selector, it's got 4 positions. It's got a stencil, which basically the ribbon doesn't rise at all. And it's got the black setting, rises up. It's got the middle of the ribbon setting. I've never used that. Goes up a little more, and then the red setting rises up the most. So this is the touch selector over here. I can't really feel the difference, but some people can, so it's up to you. That's pretty much it, guys. The tab key is kind of weird. If you press it all the way down, it kind of moves slowly, so if you just press it about halfway, it moves right across. But that's it, guys. Let me show you the typing on this type sample. Oh, I hope you guys don't buy this. It is so nice. But that's it right there. You can see everything is aligned, uppercase, lowercase, letters, numbers. I just cleaned the slug, so it's just, there's no ink caught in any of the type slugs. It's ready to go, guys. Enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know.